Hello friends, this is Magdalena, and there is something in this box that I want to show you. I know what it is. Do you? The other day, my sister-in-law, who lives in another state, came over to do a favor to the family. And she just surprised me with this little box. Let's see what it is. Okay. Okay. We are having here a little nice lid, really heavy and nice. And a beautiful small pot. There you go. And we have the instructions here. This pot is a 1.5 quarts. It's a cook and a stir pot by Wolfgang Puck. Let's see. It's a really nice size that I think I'll use it for a long time to make my teas, to heat it up my favorite soups. It's has a really nice handle, you know. And another thing that you can do with this pot, you can put it in the oven. And it's really thick in the bottom. This usually means that the heat's really even, whatever you cook in here. This is a really nice size, and this size that you can use small burners. Usually we try to use just the front ones that are the big ones, but this is really nice. Something that I loved about this pot, besides everything, is that you wouldn't need a measuring cup because it already has the measurements inside, so it's pretty nice, you know. So you wouldn't need many things, just one little pot for many things. Another thing that I love about this pot is that you have your strainer on the lid. So when you cook your teas, so you don't need to use extra thing to wash. If you're like me, I don't like to be washing things all day. So you just cook your herb teas in here, and you just strain it with your lid, and it's perfect. I love it. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite pots. And you will see this pot in future videos. You see that pot is, and the way that it is formed like this, you know, it have an ending, pointing ending in here. It's gonna make it easier for you to pour, you know, with the strainer. So you put the strainer and then you pour like that, and it's gonna be really easy. So you're not gonna need a measuring cup or a strainer. It's just one little pot, and it has it all. And I don't know if I forgot to tell you, but this is a stainless steel. I think you can even make your beautiful cakes in the oven, because you can put it in the oven. Isn't it cute? Very cute. I think I'll use it a lot. Maybe you'll see it in the future videos. Thank you for watching my video. And next time that you see me again, you might be seeing me cooking in this little pot. Have a nice day.